I hope for next year you come, because this is a nice event, it's a big event with a nice people, hungry people. Is very good, the food is good, the place is good, the city is beautiful, so come. Okay, my name is NUNO Pinto, I'm from Portugal, Lisbon. I'm an endodontist, and it's the first time here. It's amazing. The last year I was invited, but at the last time the Bondent, the brand, canceled because I need to go to Kazakhstan. So finally I'm here. Yeah, I see that you have different areas of dentistry. That is very good, because you can go to different areas and improvements and get some new skills, tips and everything. So that is very good when you mix everything in the same place. My lecture is about the new file, the new reciprocating file with a hybrid design. It's we join different designs in the same file with different behaviors, and I will explain step by step to develop this file and show some clinical cases and how you use it, and how the file could give you more comfortable to use it, and more how I can say that, more improvements in your daily clinic. Yeah, they could see that step by step, how I change my protocols, how I use the microscope, how I use the files, which is my approach to some cases. I think it could be good for them to improve some skills. Okay, I hope for next year you come, because this is a nice event, it's a big event with a nice people, hungry people. Is very good, the food is good, the place is good, the city is beautiful, so come.